Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the Wi-Fi not showing or not working problem on your PC or laptop. So if your Wi-Fi network is not appearing or not working, don't worry, I will show you 7 methods to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings, or Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 10. Just follow these simple steps. Method 1. Restart router and PC. You can restart your Wi-Fi router and also restart your computer. Many times, this simple step solves the issue. Method 2. Enable WLAN Auto Config service, so that Wi-Fi option to appear in the settings. For that, go to search bar and type in services and open it up. In the services window, locate the WLAN Auto Config service. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the startup type, make sure selected Automatic. After that, click Start to run the service. Then Apply, and then OK. Now check if your Wi-Fi problem is solved. Method 3. Enable Wi-Fi adapter. You make sure your Wi-Fi adapter is enabled. For that, go to Control Panel. Go to Network and Sharing. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and click Enable. If it's already enabled, then disable it. And then re-enable it. That's it. After that, check if your Wi-Fi problem is solved. Method 4. Update Wi-Fi driver. For that, right-click on Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the network adapters list. Now locate your wireless card. Right-click it. Select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer. Select Let Me Pick. Select your driver, and hit Next. Wait for it to complete. After that, close the window. And check if your Wi-Fi problem is solved. But if that doesn't work, then again go to Device Manager. Go to Network Adapter. Expand it. And uninstall your wireless network adapter. And restart your device. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. Method 5. Uncheck Allow this computer to turn off this device to save power. If it is checked, then Windows can automatically turn off certain devices, like your network adapter, USB ports, or Wi-Fi card to save power, especially on laptops. So uncheck it. For that, go to Network Adapter and expand the network adapters list. Right-click on your wireless card. Go to Properties. Go to Power Management tab. Uncheck the Allow this computer to turn off this device to save power box. And then click OK. After that, check problem solved or not. Method 6. System Configuration. For that, go to Search bar. Open it. Run as administrator. Click on the Services tab. Enable all. Click Apply. And then OK. After that, restart your device. And then check if your Wi-Fi problem is solved. Method 7. Check airplane mode. Sometimes airplane mode blocks Wi-Fi. Just make sure airplane mode is off. So this is how to fix Wi-Fi network not showing up, or Wi-Fi connected but not working on Windows 10. That's it. Your Wi-Fi network should now be showing and working fine. If you still face issues, let me know in the comments.